Welcome back. Now we are on 12e. Better one, better, but not so many calculations. We have some discussion. Okay. So for E1, okay, find the y coordinates when x equals 5 pi over 12. Okay. Three same figure. So it is a substitution question. Straightforward. So y equals 5 pi over 12 square root tangent 5 pi over 12 was still complicated. Sorry. I should say complicated. But luckily, just communication with your calculator. And then write down the result in fees and figure. Pause the video. Work on it. Yes, you got it. It's 2.53. Okay. Wow, very different from your result, approximate result in Eurograph. Okay, by considering the gradient of the curve, such as the reason the y-Euler's method does not give a good approximation for the y coordinate at x equal 5 pi over 12. Same question at 2023 November. Same concept because the curve, the gradient changed too much. Okay, remember, one result is 1.78454 for one step, right? And then dy dx, okay. And then jump to another step, increases quickly to 3.8421, and we assume it is a constant. Obviously, it's not a constant, right? Increase quickly. So the reason is because the gradient increases quickly, too quick, okay. But we assume it's a constant gradient for the Euler method. So this is the problem, okay? The gradient increases too quickly. Number 3, okay. State why the approximated result is less than the real result. The y coordinate as 5 pi over 12 is the real result. Because this is increasing quickly, right? But we assume it is a constant gradient. So obviously we underestimate. But how to say it, okay? Because the gradient increase quickly, but we assume gradient is a constant. So we underestimate the value of y. So the Euler method y is smaller than the real y, okay? This is the reason, because m is increasing quickly too. Nearly done, okay? Next video will be the finishing of paper 2. See you!